Hi everyone, it's Mr. Krug. Today we're going to review the parts of an atom, as well as mass number and atomic number. So, starting off, parts of an atom. Those are known as subatomic particles. Our first subatomic particle is a proton. The proton is the positively charged part of an atom, and it's located in an atom's nucleus. Neutrons, as the name implies, have no charge. They're also located in the nucleus. Electrons are the negatively charged part of an atom. And they're located in what we call the orbital cloud, so outside of the nucleus. Alright, so on the next page I have a few examples, but first we need to define a few things. So the number on the bottom, that is known as the atomic number. You use that number to identify which atom you're dealing with. For example, carbon. The atomic number on carbon, 6, will always be the same if it's carbon. If that number changes, it's going to become a different element. So if you see that number 6, this signifies how many protons are in carbon. Carbon is always going to have 6 protons. That's what makes it carbon. Just like hydrogen will always have 1 proton and oxygen will always have 8 protons. The number on the top is known as the mass number. And that's simply the number of protons added to the number of neutrons. So looking at this first example, we have 12 on top and 6 on the bottom. So I know that we have 6 protons. To find the number of neutrons, I do 12 minus 6 equals 6. So I have 6 neutrons on that carbon. For the hydrogen, notice you have 1 on both the bottom and the top. So you do 1 minus 1, you get 0. So that hydrogen is just a proton. It has no neutrons. It just has 1 proton and maybe 1 electron. This oxygen, we have 14 for the mass number and 8 for the atomic number. So 14 minus 8 is going to equal 6. So on this oxygen, even though we have 8 protons, we only have 6 neutrons. Alright, I hope you're all doing well.